Ever noticed how the exact moment you enter a trade based on a strong breakout, the market immediately reverses and leaves you in the red? You aren't unlucky. You just fell into an institutional liquidity trap. See, most retail traders use price envelopes to follow trends. But big institutional algorithms use those exact same bands to hunt your stop losses and trap early buyers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip the script. We are turning the popular DeMarker indicator into a trap detection tool. By combining an ultra-tight 0.05% envelope with a lightning-fast 5-period DeMarker, we will isolate the exact seconds where price overextends, allowing us to catch high-probability 1-minute reversals right as the trap springs. But real quick before we dive in, trading binary options carries real risk, and you can absolutely lose capital. I'm not here promising profits or guaranteeing results. I'm simply sharing a specific structural strategy that has worked for me in my own testing, and I want you to approach it the exact same way. Start on a demo account, watch how the data behaves, get comfortable with the rhythm, and only then consider going live. With that in mind, let's set up your platform for fast-paced execution using a 15-second chart and a strict 1-minute expiry. First, load up your envelopes, set the period to 10, and bring that deviation down to an extremely narrow 0.05%. Next, add the DeMarker indicator, set it to a fast 5-period, and make sure your overbought and oversold levels are locked at 0.8 and 0.2. Look at how tight these envelopes are on the screen. We aren't trying to ride a trend here. We are waiting for price to violently snap outside this boundary. When a single 15-second candle pushes completely outside these bands while the DeMarker hits an extreme level, it tells us the market has exhausted its temporary momentum. But discipline is everything. You must avoid strongly trending markets or environments where the envelopes open up wide. We want a stable, slightly ranging market where the very first clean breakout yields the highest winning ratio. Let's break down the exact execution rules so you can spot these setups flawlessly on your own charts. For a buy setup, you are waiting for a single 15-second candle to break and close completely below that lower envelope line. At that exact same moment, look down at your 5-period DeMarker. It must touch or drop below the 0.2 line. As soon as that specific candle closes, you open your 1-minute buy trade. For a sell setup, the logic completely mirrors this. A single 15-second candle must break and close completely above the upper envelope line, while the DeMarker simultaneously touches or climbs above the 0.8 line. The moment that candle closes, you immediately open a 1-minute sell trade right on the next candle open. Now, to make this second nature for you while you're trading, I've put together a free PDF guide for this exact strategy. It includes the complete buy and sell checklist along with a quick reference entry card you can keep right next to your screen. The link is right down in the description below, so go grab it real quick so you can follow along with what's coming up next. Because reading rules on a static screen is one thing, but seeing how the market moves in real time is where the real education happens. Let's pull up the live charts right now so I can show you exactly what a false breakout looks like versus a high probability first breakout setup, and how to spot the warning signs to avoid losing trades entirely. Let's look at a live example to see exactly how this liquidity trap plays out in real time. Look closely at that aggressive red candle. It has completely breached and closed outside our lower ultra-tight envelope boundary. Now look right below it at the 5-period DeMarker indicator. It didn't just touch the lower threshold, it pushed entirely below the oversold level. This confirms that the sharp downward push is a temporary overextension rather than a sustainable trend. The moment that 15-second candle closed, a buy trade was placed immediately with a precise 1-minute expiry, catching the market right at the point where retail sellers are being trapped. Moving into our second phase, you can see the trade in full progress. This is where market psychology becomes fascinating to observe. After our entry, the very next candle immediately prints as a strong bullish candle, rejecting that lower zone completely. Finally, the trade has closed out completely, securing a clean result. The market moved exactly as the structural mechanics predicted, reversing heavily off the trap zone and staying well above our initial trigger line. Now, let's find another perfect trade setup as per our strategy. Now, let's flip the perspective completely and analyze a textbook sell setup to see exactly how an institutional upper liquidity trap forms in real time. Look closely at this aggressive bullish candle aggressively breaking out and closing completely above our upper, ultra-tight envelope boundary. Simultaneously, if you look right down at the 5-period DeMarker indicator, it has spiked directly past the overbought threshold line. This double confirmation tells us that the immediate upward buying pressure is completely exhausted and highly unsustainable. The exact second that 15-second candle locked in its close, a sell trade was executed instantly with a precise 1-minute expiry to catch the exact moment the trap springs on early buyers. Moving right into the second phase, we can observe the immediate market reaction and how beautifully the geometry plays out. Right after our entry execution, the market instantly reacts to the liquidity pool, printing a massive, solid bearish candle that slams price directly back inside the envelope bands. This swift downward reversal is driven by institutional sellers stepping into the market and forcing trapped buyers to liquidate their positions. As the next few candles build out, the DeMarker line also hooks sharply downward, confirming the shift in short-term momentum. With price dropping drastically lower and holding deep in our profit zone, the structural validity of this high-probability setup is on full display. Finally, looking at the third phase, the contract has officially expired and closed out with a perfectly clean result. The market followed our structural rules to the absolute letter, rejecting the overextended zone completely and locking in well below our initial trigger line. Now, let's find another perfect trade setup as per our strategy. Now, it is crucial to understand that even when every single indicator aligns perfectly, the market will occasionally do something unexpected. Let's break down a setup that followed our strategy rules exactly, but resulted in a loss, to see how a professional handles real risk. Look closely at this aggressive downward movement. A strong bearish candle slices completely outside our lower, ultra-tight envelope boundary. Simultaneously, looking at the 5-period DeMarker indicator, it has dropped deep into extreme oversold territory. The technical rules are met flawlessly, signaling an institutional overextension trap. The moment that 15-second candle closed, a buy trade was executed immediately with a strict 1-minute expiry, expecting a swift upward snap back into the bands. Moving into the second phase, you can see the trade in full progress, and it immediately reveals a completely different market dynamic. Instead of rejecting the lower zone as we usually expect, the institutional momentum breaks through our zone, and the price continues to paint consecutive bearish candles lower. Even though the DeMarker remains highly oversold, the market is choosing to override the short-term boundary, refusing to snap back inside the envelope. This is exactly why we emphasize an education-first approach. We never chase the market, we never panic, and we don't try to force a reversal by adding multiple positions. We simply let the trade run its course according to our original plan. Finally, looking at the third phase, the contract has officially expired below our entry point, resulting in a loss. Accepting a loss with absolute discipline is what separates professional traders from amateurs. The setup followed our structural rules perfectly, but market dynamics shifted, and that is simply part of the business. One loss means absolutely nothing to our long-term plan, because the edge is built on statistical probability over time. Now, let's find another perfect trade setup as per our strategy. Let's jump right into the live charts to analyze a perfect buy execution setup and see how the market geometry behaves in real time. Look closely at this sudden, aggressive red candle slicing completely down and closing well outside our lower, ultra-tight envelope boundary. Simultaneously, if you look right down at the 5-period DeMarker indicator, it has dipped sharply below the extreme oversold threshold line. This double confirmation tells us that the immediate selling pressure has completely overextended, creating a textbook institutional liquidity trap. The exact second that 15-second candle locked in its close, a buy trade was executed immediately, with a precise 1-minute expiry to catch the exact moment the market snaps back. Moving into the second phase, you can see how beautifully the market responds right after our structural entry point. The very next candle immediately prints as a massive, solid, bullish candle, rejecting that lower trap zone and driving price straight back inside the envelope lines. This rapid upward push is the direct result of institutional buyers aggressively entering the market, squeezing early retail sellers out of their short positions. As the next few candles build out, the price continues to climb higher and holds firmly above our entry level, validating our disciplined execution while the DeMarker hooks steadily back toward the center of the panel. Looking at the final phase, the contract has officially expired deep in our profit zone, securing an incredibly clean, successful result. The market followed our mechanical parameters to the absolute letter, reversing sharply off the overextended liquidity zone and closing well above our initial trigger line. This case study is a perfect example of why staying disciplined and waiting for the right first breakout scenario will always beat chasing random market movements. Managing risk and trusting verified data over emotion is how you build a consistent edge in this business. If you want to master this high-accuracy, data-driven approach to reading market geometry, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our trading community so you never miss an upcoming breakdown. Thank you so much for watching, keep your risk managed, and I will see you in the very next video.